Expectations. It is hardest in the beginning. You will encounter the greatest difficulty in the beginning. In my guild, it was a lot harder to recruit and retain members between guild levels 1 and 8. With fewer members, there was less social interaction in guild chat. A lot of players will look for the best deal. So if your guild is level 8 and they see a level 20 guild looking for members, they will probably choose the higher level guild. Sometimes, but not always. I'm not saying that just because your guild is a low level that people will necessarily always leave it for a bigger guild. Some members may like smaller guilds, or some players may be new to the game and not know anything about guild levels and perks and choose your guild out of ignorance. If someone creates a character and they see an advertisement for a leveling guild in general chat in their zone, they may well want to join it. If you want to have a cool guild and they really like it and spend enough time in it, they may decide to stay in your low-level guild instead of jumping to a high-level guild because they are familiar with yours.